Hello viewers, this is Muhammad Mukhtar Ali, lecturer of English, Government Sheikh Fazil Abdul Mujib Mohila College, Thangai. My dear students and peers, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also very fine in the epidemic form of coronavirus. I suggest you stay home and stay safe and sound, you and your surroundings. Now I would like to go main point. I am going to discuss an important grammar called narration. It's a traditional grammar and it's being used from class 6 to class 12. Not only that, it is used different admission test and job interviews. Though it is a traditional grammar, many students are afraid of learning and practicing this, so I would like to discuss it in another easy way. So come to the real point and try to understand this. Narration means speech মানে বক্তব্য. Narration mainly there are two kinds of narration. One is direct narration and another is indirect narration. Direct narration means the speaker speak directly, and indirect narration speaker speaks indirectly. That means direct narration বলতে বক্তা নিজে প্রত্যক্ষভাবে বক্তব্য প্রদান করে, and indirect narration বক্তা পরোক্ষভাবে অর্থাৎ অন্যের মাধ্যমে বক্তার বক্তব্য প্রকাশ করা হয়. নেক্সট, ডিরেক্ট নারেশনকেও আবার দুই ভাগে ভাগ করা যায়. সো উই ক্যান সে দেয়ার আর টু পার্টস অফ ডিরেক্ট নারেশন. ওয়ান ইজ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব অ্যান্ড অ্যানাদার ইজ রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ. রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব উই ক্যান শর্টলি সে আর ভি. অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব? Reporting verb are such kind of words which are placed before inverted comma, and reported speech are such kind of words which are spaced in inverted comma. অর্থাৎ রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব হচ্ছে সেই সকল শব্দ বা শব্দগুচ্ছ যেগুলো ইনভার্টেড কমার বাহিরে থাকে. ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ হচ্ছে সেই সকল শব্দগুচ্ছ যেগুলো ইনভার্টেড কমার ভিতরে থাকে. দ্যাটস ফর এক্সাম্পল উই ক্যান সে দ্যাট মাই মাদার সেড টু মি I am busy. In this sentence, my mother said to me is reporting verb, মানে RV, and I am busy. This is reported speech. That means RS. Next, we can go another rule. Sense of person. Person means ব্যক্তি. There are three kinds of person. First person means I, me, my, we, us, our, mind. And if the reported speech there is any first person, that will change from the subject of the reporting verb, and if there is any second person, that will change from the object of the reporting verb. But if there is any third person means he, she, any noun, etc. If there is any third person, that will not change. So you have to know this: first person, second person, third person. Next rules. Change of time or place. If in the direct narration there is direct narration to indirect narration, there is am is are. If in the direct narration there is am is are, that will change was are. In the same way, was are থাকলে had been, have has থাকলে had, PB2 means principal verb past, principal verb present form, PB2 principal verb past form, that means PB1 থাকলে PB2, PB2 থাকলে had plus PB3, PB3 means principal verb past participle form, do not oblique does not থাকলে did not plus V1, did not থাকলে had not plus V3 হয়. This is traditional rules of change of tense or verb. Next number, change of modal verb. Modal verb if direct narration to indirect. If the direct narration ne can থাকলে indirect could, may থাকলে might, shall থাকলে should, will থাকলে would, can be থাকলে could be, maybe থাকলে might be, should have থাকলে should have had, may have থাকলে may have had, need থাকলে needed, dare থাকলে dared, must থাকলে had to. You will have to get by heart these rules. Next number, change of time or place. Time or place, direct to indirect. If in the direct narration there is this, if there is this, that will change that. That means this থাকলে that হবে, this থাকলে those হবে, here থাকলে there হবে, ago থাকলে before হবে, come থাকলে go হবে, either থাকলে thither হবে, now থাকলে then হবে, today থাকলে that day, tonight থাকলে that night, tomorrow থাকলে the next day, yesterday থাকলে the previous day, last night থাকলে the previous night, next week থাকলে the following week হবে. You will have to know these rules. Next number, we can go another rules. Sentence structure. There are 5 kind of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentence. You'll have to know what is assertive sentence. It is very easy. Beginning of the sentence, in the assertive sentence, beginning of the sentence we can get subject plus verb, and at the end of the sentence full stop. অর্থাৎ assertive sentences শুরুতে subject plus verb এবং শেষে full stop থাকে. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Beginning of the sentence will get interrogation pronoun, interrogative pronoun, or helping verb, or at the end of the sentence interrogation marks. Next number 3, imperative sentence. At the beginning of the imperative sentence will get PB1, do not, let, please, kindly, never, etc. Optative sentence. At the beginning of the sentence will get may or long. In the same way, exclamatory sentence. In the exclamatory sentence will get note of exclamation marks. So in this short and easy way, we'll have to know the structure of sentences. Next, if you get by heart all of the rules, That means direct to indirect, reporting verb, reported speech. Change of person, change of time or place. Next, change of modal verb and sentence structure. If you learn all of these rules, I will provide rest of the rules of narration next class. So try to learn this. Goodbye, see you again. Wish you best of luck.